Hi, this video segment is about the global variables in C. After this short video lecture, we will be able to reach three main goals. First, we will learn how to declare and define global variables. Second, we will understand the difference between local and global variables. Third, we will use the static keyword in different ways. A variable scope is the extent to which variables are accessible in a program. In other words, the variable scope is the part of the program within the variable can be used. Local variables are variables declared within a function, while global variables are simply declared outside any function and can be used in different functions. The important point about local variables is that they can be only accessed from within the function in which they are declared. This is an implicit default behavior. However, if you want to explicitly specify a variable as local, you can use the auto keyword in the variable declaration. The auto keyword is seldom used. When you're using a local variable, be aware that local variables come to existence when the function is called and they disappear when the function ends. Differently from local variables, global variables can be accessed from within any function in the program. Also, global variables come to existence when the program executes and remain in existence until the program ends. How do we define the global variable? First, the global variable must be defined exactly once at the start of the program, and it might include initialization. Second, it also needs to be declared. It also needs to be preceded by external keyword to denote that it references an external variable rather than a regular local variable. When you use the declaration extern type name of your variable, you should not initialize variable with a value. Large C programs often have multiple source code files that are compiled together to create a single executable file. Global variables are normally accessible from any file. All functions are normally accessible globally too. Global functions and variables can have their accessibility limited to just that file in which they are created by using static keyword in the declaration. When you program multiple source codes, it might happen that you are using global variable with the same name in two different files. To declare this as a static avoids the need to rename one of the global variables. Local variables can also be declared as static. These local static variables remain still only accessible from within the function in which they are declared, but they don't disappear when the function ends. This allows permanent storage within a function until the program ends. These slides present in practice how you can declare and define an integer global variable called sum. We begin a new program with a preprocessor instruction to include the standard input-output library with stdio.h. We define and initialize global static variable sum that might only access from within this source code because we are using the static keyword. We add the main function that initially states that we want to use the global static variable and output its value with printf. Finally, we insert a final statement to return a zero integer value. And with these slides, I'm done. Thank you.